Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a USB printer to your Jiofiber router. We'll start by identifying the essential equipment you'll need for this setup. Then, I'll guide you through accessing your router settings and enabling the printer sharing feature. Finally, we'll cover how to add the printer to your computer and address some common troubleshooting tips to ensure a smooth experience. This process will allow multiple devices on your network to easily print. Before we dive into the settings, let's ensure you have everything ready. First, make sure your USB printer is powered on and loaded with paper. Next, connect the printer's USB cable directly into one of the available USB ports on your Jiofiber router. It's also helpful to have your router's default IP address, usually something like 192.168.299.1, and your login credentials handy. Finally, confirm your computer is connected to the Jiofiber network. Now, let's configure your router. Open any web browser on your computer and type your router's IP address into the address bar. Once the login page appears, enter your administrator username and password. After logging in, navigate through the menu to find a section labeled USB Settings or Printer Sharing. Locate the option to enable printer sharing or a print server and make sure to save your changes. This step activates the router's ability to share the printer. With the router configured, it's time to add the printer to your computer. On your Windows or Mac device, go to your printer settings and choose to add a new network printer. Select the option to add a printer using a TCP/IP address or hostname. Enter your Jiofiber router's IP address as the printer's address. Finally, install the correct drivers for your specific printer model. If you encounter issues, double-check all connections and router settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.